everyone.
Hi, I'm Diana.
And in today's tutorial, we will be showing you the two types of bondings and what the octet rule is. Pay attention. Everything that exists is made up of atoms held together in an innumerable combination that range from the simplest to the most complex molecules. In this example, you can see that if you add 2 of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen, you get water. If you add 1 of sodium and 1 of chloride, you get sodium chloride. If you add 2 of bromine, you get 1. And 1 of barium, you get barium bromide. And if you add 2 of lithium and 1 of oxide, you get lithium oxide.
So, what makes an atom stick together to form a bond? Valence electrons form the glue, but how? Atoms form a few different types of bonds when they combine.
In this Teach Me tutorial, we are going to describe 2 of them, ionic and covalent bonding.
Transfer of an electron from a nonmetal and a metal produces an ionic bonding, like this, which Na is a metal and Br is an nonmetal.
Sharing of electrons between atoms of nonmetals produce covalent bond, like in this case where it's 2 of hydrogen.
Lewis assumed that each noble gas atom had a complete outermost shell, which is regarded as a stable configuration because of the lack of reactivity of noble gases.
Since all noble gases except helium have 8 valence electrons, the observation came to be as the octet rule.
But what is the octet rule? When atoms of elements react, they tend to lose, gain, or share electrons to achieve the same electron arrangement as the nearest noble gas on the periodic table, like this.
This is very simple to know when a bonding is formed correctly. Check if their valence electrons form 8 when together.
The tendency of an atom to participate in bonding with another is related directly to the property of the atom known as electronegativity. Electronegativity is a measure of the relative tendency of an atom to attract electrons to itself. Electrons come from the bottom to the top and from left to right.
Now that you know what the covalent and ionic bonding are in the octet rule configuration, try it with us. For our ionic bonding, we need 1 metal and 1 nonmetal. We will be using hydrogen and chloride, hydrogen being the metal and chloride being the nonmetal. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron while chloride has 7, so hydrogen would be sharing its 1 electron to chloride to combine 8, and separately they would each have 8 electrons.
For the covalent bonding, we need nonmetals. We will use 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Each of them is a nonmetal. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron while oxygen has 6. Since we have 2 hydrogens, each valence electron of each hydrogen will be sharing himself with the other 6 valence electrons of the oxygen, giving us a total of 8 shared electrons. In this way, we can form what the octet rule requires and forming a covalent bond. I hope that since you watched this tutorial, you will be able to know when is a bonding ionic or covalent, and that you got the clear idea of what the octet rule is.